Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to convert video to animation with AI. So let's get started. I'm going to be showing you two programs that you can use to do this. So the first one is going to be LensGo AI. Click on the first link right here. Now, once you're here, if it's your first time using this website, then you're gonna have to sign up. You can find the option to do so at the top right corner. As you can see, it is not present for me, and that is because I am already logged in. So once you've signed up, you'll receive 100 free credits. As you can see, I only have 60 left. But what you're gonna do is click on text to video. Now from here, we're going to adjust the settings here on the left side. So let's start with model. We can use real or anime, and there's also some featured models down here. I'm going to choose vintage comic as an example. Now select your image dimensions. There's 7 to choose from. I'm going to choose 3x4. Then after that, we can choose our video duration. I'm going to choose normal. Then we have a few more options at the bottom, but I'll just leave this as is. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on upload video down here. Now choose the video you want to use, then click open. Now type in a short description of your video. I'm going to type in guy walking with headphones, since that's pretty much what my video is. And once you're done with that, you're gonna click on generate, which costs 40 credits. Now, as you can see, it is actually not letting me generate a video right now because I have already generated one earlier. That is why I only have 60 credits left. So I can actually show you because that video is still generating. As you can see, I'm going to head over to my generation history here real quick. And there's nothing here. But anyway, after you hit generate, you just have to wait for a few minutes. That's pretty much it for this program. Now let's move on to our second program, which is going to be Domo AI. So you want to click on the second link here, not the first one. You want to click on this one, which says AI powered art generator. Now from here, you're just gonna click on join our Discord. Make sure you have a Discord account for this. Now click on accept invite. Now click on open link. Now it'll launch the Discord app. But if you don't have the app, then you can just hit continue to Discord, so you can just use the web version. Alright, now let's click on the server right here. Now first, we have to go through this. So here, you're just gonna select one of these options. I'm just going to select to generate AI art, then hit next. Now I'm going to select 18+. Then for the rest right here, I'm just going to skip it. And finally, hit finish. Alright, once you're in the server, head over to the list of channels and scroll down until you find generate video. So just click on this channel. Now you just type in /video. Then click on it up here. Now click here to upload your video. I'm just going to use the same video I was supposed to use earlier. on Let's Go. Now click on prompt right here. This is where you're going to type in the short description of your video. So I'm just going to write the same thing, guy walking with headphones. And once you're done, just hit enter on your keyboard. Now click on accept TOS. So first we're going to select the type of video we want. There are a bunch of options here. I'm going to use this one for example. And after that, you can customize these options here. You can refer to the video source more or refer to prompt more. Then you can choose the duration of your video. We have 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. The average waiting time is given as well. For 3 seconds, we have 3 minutes. For 5 seconds, we have 5 minutes. And for 10 seconds, we have 10 minutes. After you're done choosing, just click on start right here. Now just wait. Once it's done, we can now watch our AI generated video. So here it is. Let's check out the reference video as well so you can see that it really worked. And there you have it. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.